Okay, the items you will need for this DIY are 4 mason jars, some Mod Podge, some bling wrap, I have some burlap leaves, some scissors, some glue sticks right here, a brush, this is flour of your choice. I have this type of flour and I have 4 of them, and your glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take some Mod Podge and I'm just going to pour a generous amount onto my little platform here. Now, this is a new bottle, so I have to take the cap off, of course. That would help. And I just got my nails done. Lord, let me do this without making a mess. Should be wearing some gloves, but I didn't put them on, so that's all right. All right, I'm gonna pour some onto my surface. Put the cap back on. Get my brush, and then I'm just going to simply paint the entire jar white. You can paint these jars any color that you want, but I'm choosing white. And you might have to go over these jars more than one time with more than one coat. Maybe 2, maybe 3. It just depends on what you want. Two or 3 more coats, or I might just decide to leave it like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the jars with painting, and then I will be right back. Okay, what I did was instead of using the Mod Podge, I didn't want to use that, and I just decided to use some Rust-Oleum spray paint. And it's kind of like a cream color, and this is pretty much how it looks. So I went ahead and spray painted all 4 of these jars here. I'm just showing you 2. I have the other 2 on the side. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start decorating it. So I'm gonna take my leaf right here and I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue. Let me take this off. Well, this can stay on. I'm gonna apply a little bit of hot glue right here, just on the back. Like that. Then I'm going to take the jar and I'm going to apply it. See if you guys can see this a little bit better. I'm going to apply it right around the rim of the jar. And just press it down till it sticks. Okay, it's pretty much dry now, and this is pretty much how it is supposed to look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to all of the 4 jars, and then I'm going to be blinging it up with some diamond wrap around the sides here, around the rim of it. Not the rim, but around the base of it. You'll see exactly how it is when I finish, but around here, and then I might apply some down at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with all of the other jars, and then I will come back with the final look. Stay tuned. Alright, here you go everybody. Here is the finished look of my fall DIY. I think these turned out really cute. I struggled with it for a little bit, but I had to make some changes to different things. But overall, they came out really cute. And this is pretty much the color that I want to go for in the neutral state. So this is pretty much neutral to me. So I hope you guys like it. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you get more DIY videos from me and more. And I will talk to you guys later, and thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Bye.